Okay, good morning students. So now here we are going to go with the finding of equation of the ellipse from question number 4 to question number 7. Till question number 7 you need to find the equation of the ellipse. Now when it comes to question number 8, here you need to find the equation of the locus, okay, point moving on the ellipse. So no need to worry about that one. Before I start with my lessons, let me tell you, many students are getting confusion. This chapter corner section is not for BMT, that means not for commerce and arts students, those who are taking business mathematics. This chapter is purely for science students. For commerce, some chapters we have like calculus, we have determinants, matrix. Many chapters are similar to that science class, and then for that I will start uploading videos. At the time you can start downloading the videos and watch the videos. So now, before wasting time, here let me go with question number 4, then I will go 5. In next video lessons I will go question 5, then 6, then 7, then at last question number 8. So all are different types of questions. The way of solving is completely different from each other. So I have done a selective question. After you complete the videos till this question number 8, then you will be able to solve this question, which is now homework 3 under ellipse, chapter 12, page number 22, exercise 12b. Please solve question number 7, 8, 9, 11, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21. So you can take your own time, okay? You can take your own time. Once you complete the homework, make sure you send in my messenger. So without wasting time, now let's go with now question number 4. In next video, I will do 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now, in this question number 4, now we have question number 4. Here we need to obtain the equation of the ellipse whose focus is at point -1, 1, and the corresponding directrix is the line x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and eccentricity is given 1/2. We did similar type of question under parabola. We did this type where the focus is given, directrix is given. So this case, how to go about that one? As usual, now let's go with the definition of the ellipse. This case, the definition of ellipse is modulus of SP is equal to E times modulus of MP. In case of parabola, we don't have E because at the time the E value was equal to 1. So 1 times modulus of MP becomes modulus of MP only. Therefore, we don't write E. But in case of ellipse, make sure when you write definition, in same as that parabola, but here you need to write E. So SP, as usual, is the distance between 2 points. If I take suppose say, okay, this is S, here it is point P, X, Y, and the directrix here from S. Concept is same, okay? S to P and M to P. As I explained in first video lesson, modulus of SP divided by modulus of MP is less than 1. This case, here we have is E value. E value is 1/2, definitely, which is 0.5. 0.5 is less than 1. So this is the eccentricity of the ellipse. So modulus of SP, it is nothing but root of, you know what to do now? Take point P, okay, P of x, y, P of x, y, then you will join this x and -1. X minus 1 of -1 becomes x plus 1 whole square. Then next one, y minus 1. We did similar type of concept under parabola, isn't it? So you go y minus 1, which is y minus 1 whole square is equal to, now here the eccentricity value is 1/2. Please substitute 1/2 modulus. MP is a perpendicular distance formula. So what's the MP given? We have x minus y plus 3 divided by root of, what's the coefficient of x? 1 square. What's the coefficient of y? -1 square. Similar concept, isn't it? So now what you need to do? We need to square on both sides. If I square on both sides, we have x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal. This will become 1/4. Do you agree? 2 square becomes 1/4. Then we have here x minus y plus 3 whole square divided by 2. 1 square is 1, negative 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, square, this square root and square will get cancel. 4 times 2 becomes 8, and please cross multiply, bring 8 here, that implies 8 times, please open the bracket, x square plus 2x plus 1, and please remember this 8 belongs to both of them, so that's why I kept outside. Expand it, y square minus 2y plus 1, I need more space, okay. Then close the bracket, make sure you close the bracket. It does not make sense if you don't close the bracket here. Is equal, you know this is in the form of a minus b plus c whole square. I've given that formula under parabola. Expand this, we have x square plus y square plus 9. Multiply this two, minus 2xy. Multiply this two, minus 6y. Multiply this two, it becomes 6x. That's it. Now please open the bracket now. That implies, I will write here. I need more space. So I will write here. Now please open the bracket. When you open the bracket, we have, that implies 8x square plus 16x plus 8y square, open this bracket, minus 16y, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 times 8 becomes 16. Then, bring this side, minus x square, bring this side, minus y square, and then bring this one, plus 2xy, bring this one, plus 6y, bring this one here, minus 6x, then finally constant value, minus 9 is equivalent to 0. Okay, make sure you underline. I taught you in parabola, 8x square minus x square becomes 7x square. Then write this, having variable both x and y here, plus 2xy, then plus 7y square, then 16x minus 6x, which is equivalent to plus 10x, then minus 16y plus 6y is minus 10y. I hope it's correct. 16x minus 16x is 10, 16y, okay, minus 10y. Then finally we have constant. 16 minus 9 is plus 7 is equal to 0. Required equation of the ellipse. That's it. Thank you. In next video lesson I will do question number 5.